In this video we're going to talk about break loops. There's two types of break loops. There's break and continue. These break loops are essentially used they're like a special statement that can be used inside a loop to break or continue the loop. So break is a statement to break the loop, while continue is a statement to keep the current loop and continue with the next value. Let's start with the break command, and as we said, it makes the loop stop, follows the next iteration after the loop, and we're going to give a little concrete example about it, and I hope that will help. So in our body part of the HTML, we're going to declare a variable I and set it equal to 0, and based on that we're going to start a for loop with the variable I equals 0 to I is less than or equal to 10, and we're going to jump one jump at a time. So what are we going to have in this loop? We're going to check if I is equal to 3, then we need to break. Okay, and after the break we need to document it right. Let's say the number is whatever plus I, and let's close that and give it a little semicolon, and let's document that right. A line break, HTML break, and let's close this out. Let's close our loop, and you already have the script closed, so let me review that. These needs to be braces instead of brackets. That's my error right there that Dreamweaver is pointing me to. So yeah, here you go. I think that's gonna be running fine. So the number is 0, the number is 1, the number is 2. As you can see, the break command stopped the loop. Instead of going all the way to 10, it just went all the way to 3, and it broke the loop and it exited out on that. So that's basically really nice if you want to stop the loop at a certain phase on a certain condition. That helps you to exit the loop, and that'll be good for you. The other example is the continue. So let's go back to our example. I'm going to comment this out so you can download the source code. And the second example is basically almost the same, so I'm going to copy paste that. I'm just gonna change the things that usually change. So I'm just gonna include a continue statement here instead of break, and let's see what happens. As you can think of it, the loop is gonna continue looping whatever happens because we set a continue. When it reaches 3, it just continues on that break, and it jumps. It continues to the next iteration without executing the commands that are after it. That's the nice thing about continue. If you wanna make a condition at a certain thing, and you don't want the statements that are after the continue statement to execute. So that's something you're gonna have to look for also. That kind of will be useful in the future too. I think basically that's it about break and continue. We don't want to go in depth with this. There's other things that are really much more important. but still this is very good. It was very important to mention. So if you got any questions, please refer to the forum and we'll be glad to help you. JavaScript forum. And we got a web programming forum out there, so you can ask other questions if you want. And subscribe to the channel because there's more videos that are gonna be coming up. And thank you.